Hello everyone. Are you wondering what TFW means? Let's explore. TFW stands for that feeling when, a phrase commonly used online to describe a specific emotion or situation that others might find relatable. It's often paired with a meme, image, or short description that captures a particular mood or experience. For example, TFW you finally get to relax after a long day would be accompanied by a picture that expresses relief or happiness. The phrase is part of internet slang that emphasizes shared experiences, creating a sense of connection through common feelings or situations. TFW is about capturing those universal moments that everyone can understand, often in a humorous or poignant way. In essence, TFW is a shorthand way to express and share relatable emotions, often through visual or textual cues. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.